This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve issues related to the installation loop in Cyberpunk 2077. Follow these steps to ensure a successful installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. If your system does not meet these requirements, consider upgrading your hardware. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall settings. Sometimes, these security programs can interfere with the installation process. After disabling them, try to install the game again. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as Administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help avoid installation loops. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your temporary files by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and selecting the tool. Check the boxes for temporary files and system files, then click OK to delete them. This can help free up space and resolve conflicts during installation. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall the game completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and successfully install Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.